of substance. So when we had to look for a brand ambassador, we couldn't find a better choice than having her. And her values, her popularity has really helped to make this exhibition reach out to more consumers. We are very, very thankful to Raveena ji. Coming to the exhibition, what you will go to see shortly is one of the finest jewelry from India. We have exhibitors. You can find a jewelry from 2,000 rupees to 2 crore rupees. That is the range of jewelry you will find over here. And true to its name, best in quality, best in range, best in variety, it is all there. And I think the season is very good. It's Akshaya Tritiya, it's a marriage season. Gold rates are soft, so I don't think consumers can find any better reason. And we'd also like to thank the support from the Jewelry Association. There have been rock solid support from them for this exhibition. On a different note, jewelry trade is going through a very difficult time. As all of you know, the recent budget, the government of India has imposed excise duty. They have doubled the import duty on gold. A lot of places in India, jewelers are on strike. So we as an exhibition also want to show our solidarity to that cause. And we are today, while I'm speaking here, our association members in Delhi, they are meeting the Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee, and we are expecting this issue to be solved. But just as a matter of solidarity, if I request, with your kind consent, we all have a 1-minute prayer. Today is a very crucial day. We are expecting a very positive response. All of us can stand and have a 1-minute prayer for our jewelry trade, the issue to be resolved. A silent prayer, please.
Now I would request our brand ambassador Raveena ji to please say. Ago, and but this is, I think, something that as a woman I was really looking forward to. What better than to have jewelers from all over the country, the creme at the show, and as you know that the show will continue for a couple of days. So I think with keeping the unfortunate circumstances in mind, sab jante hi hain what is happening, as Mr. Sumesh just also briefed us that a very important meeting is happening right now. I think this is a window of opportunity, especially for all those who are looking for jewelry at this time. The marriage season is mostly on, and unfortunately, as you all know, most of the stores are shut. But this kind of gives us all a window of opportunity to come and shop and see what is the best from all over India. I would like to congratulate all the jewelers who've assembled here today, and a big thank you to them for making this a success under the very difficult times that they are facing. And besides that, I would also like to assure them that most of us, including me, whether you would call it as a person of substance or someone who's a celebrity or an actor, complete solidarity with all the jewelers in this country, and we completely stand by them, and we wish them all the best, and we want them to pursue this cause that they are after. As you know, there are taxes and taxes and taxes, but I don't know how much of the returns that we really get in terms of quality of life and in terms of quality of living in this country. So yes, I think it's time that we all stand up for our rights in some way or the other, and I completely support this movement. I would also like to wish and welcome all the guests who are here today, who've come to support this exhibition. Thank you very much for being here. And unfortunately, I'm not too well. I've got a bad throat infection and a very, not really high fever, but fever. So I will not talk as much as I spoke the last time. Though I think even this is too much according to my husband. He thinks I get the mic and I get an opportunity to talk and I don't stop. So I shall stop now. So thank you very much. Please enjoy.
Thank you very much, Raveena ji. Those words were really very inspiring. Now I would request Mr. Mahesh Pati, Chairman DIJS, to deliver the Chairman's address.
Raveena Tandon ji, Mr. Sumesh Vadera, Convener Mr. Mr. Ramesh, the treasurer of the association. This is the second edition of the Best of India Jewelry Show. The last was held last year, and it is a very encouraging show. Decided to tie up with Mr. Sumesh for the next 3 years. That's a total of 5 years is the contract, and this exhibition is growing year by year. I would like to thank Ravina for accepting to be the brand ambassador for this year's show. And like I said last time at the press conference, this year we required a face which was pan-India, and we decided to go in for Ravina. And I once again thank all of you, all the participants for giving the support for this show, and thanks Sumesh particularly for joining hands with us to conduct this show. Thank you.
Issue of Art of Jewelry magazine being unveiled by Ravina Tandonji. Aware and not aware, I'm sure you all know that there's a contest running on BIJS Jewelry Show at Radio 1, and we have a few winners of the contest, and now I will be announcing the winner of the contest, and we will be giving away a gift voucher to the winner. That will be done by Ravina Tandonji and Mr. Pratap Kamath, who is from Avalon Jewellers. The name of the winner is Mr. Tanveer, who is among us. Mr. Tanveer, can you please come up? Audience, please applaud. He is the winner.
Voucher now. But what I want to know is, whom are you going to buy the jewelry for?
Not yet decided.
So you're still counting which girlfriend is going to last longer?
You know, actually receiving such thing from a celebrity, you have no words, you don't know what to talk, you're standing on stage and so many people around you, media in front of you. No words, I'm sorry, can't talk anything.
You're sounding like a member of the cricket team right now.
No, I mean, to be honest, Ravina Tandon...
Straight answer, straight drive.
Yeah, to be honest, Ravina Tandon looks much more prettier than she is on TV in real. And I swear to God, I don't know what to talk. I'm sorry, it's not being good. I'm very nervous to talk in front of such a big celebrity. So thank you, and I really thank God for giving me an opportunity to receive this in front of such a celebrity.
Thank you.
Plus, Mr. Ramesh Davanam from Davanam Jewellers to deliver the vote of thanks.
Jewelry Show, the Jewelry Association, Bangalore, and Art of Jewelry Group. First of all, I want to thank Ms. Ravina Tandonji for having accepted our invitation and graced the function. We also grow to your levels in the BIJ show. We also succeed like you, and we thank you very much for your kind presence in spite of your not keeping well. Thank you, madam. I also thank Ms. Sumesh Vadera, who is working 24 hours a day for last 1 month to make the show success. As you are aware, the jewelry fraternity is facing excess duty problem. In Spice Show, I want to thank them, all the participants who has given us a helping hand in this type of junction. I want to thank Mr. Mahesh Pati, who is the convener of who is the managing director of this association, and the convener Mr. Chetan. I would also thank the press people. I want you to give a wide coverage to the people that before Akshaya Tritiya, the best show is coming in Bangalore. All the jewelry from, not only from Bangalore, it is covered entire country. Come and shop and enjoy and make a best purchase for the Akshaya Tritiya. And also want to thank the police people who has given us security, because you know very well what is happening these days. Police has taken a lot of responsibility and shown the keen interest to protect us, not only us at the venue. I will thank them very much, and also thank the press, media, and all the venue people. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Davanu. Can you please have Mr. Pratap Kamath here, please? Mr. Pratap Kamath.
Give it away to him.
Friends, there's another winner of the Radio 1 BIJS Jewelry Contest. She's here, Miss Ahalya. Can you please come up on the stage, Ahalya?
Please come.
One photo, please. Now I would request Ravina ji and the dignitaries to do a formal inauguration by cutting the ribbon.